soap. I use that. Wow, just wow. They don't want me to tell you guys the truth. They don't want. This is Nigeria. Skincare, but a little bit of an oomph, you know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Dodos here. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by my channel. If this is your second time and the third time, you guys know you're already my G's. I hope you are all doing well. I hope you are safe and taking care of yourselves and just staying indoors and spending time with your family and just replenishing your soul. As you can see from the title of this video, I am finally doing my nighttime skincare routine. Yes. Skincare at night is way more important than skincare during the day or in the morning. Now the reason why I feel like that is because I feel like at night time your skin is not exposed to, number one, sunshine or sun rays, so you can use whatever products that you want to use that has harsher ingredients at night, and just literally go to bed like nothing happened and just let the skincare work its magic on you. I know that a lot of us are home, and so everyone is trying to beef up on just their mental health, self-care, and self-care is super important to me. It's the one time that I get to spend with myself, for myself. I literally enjoy pampering myself because it just makes me feel good. It makes me feel at ease. If you are watching this video, it means that you want to take better care of your skin. So I have changed into this super cute pajama set from IMA Laundry. Now I have super dry skin. For me, my key focus is really about hydration, moisturizing. I love my skin to look very plump, very healthy, because dry skin is just not cute. Now this video is in partnership with Lancome, and I love their products, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my absolute favorite skincare from their collection, as well as other brands that I really love as well. Okay, now the first step is cleansing all this makeup off. Now I'm going to be using the Lancome Micellar Water. This is my absolute favorite. I love this product because it just takes my makeup off in one go. So this is what I have currently. Now most times we forget to clean around the hairline, and makeup can hide there as well. So this is the second cotton pad, still using the Lancome Micellar Water, and then I'll go into the third. I just place it on my eyes like this and just like press that in. Look at that, it takes all of my mascara away. Can you guys see this? So this is my skin after taking off makeup, the first layer of makeup, or this is like my first cleanse. Skin feels really soft. I go with a wet washcloth all over my face. I run warm water on it, so it's so soothing. And warm water just basically opens up your skin pores for all the goodness that's about to come on it. Can you still see makeup stains on it after all that cleansing? And that's because makeup never goes out of your skin just once. So this is what happens when you just use makeup wipes and go to bed. You're still going to bed with makeup on your skin. And I wash my face with this Skyceuticals Resurfacing Facial Cleanser, and this has salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and lactic acid. Gently massaging that into my skin. It says massage into skin for 60 seconds, but who's counting? And then rinse off. So now that my face is washed, I'm just gonna dry that with a washcloth, and a clean one at that. And then after washing my face, since I'm in the bathroom, I just like to use my lip scrub. I use this lip scrub from Aloine Skin, and I do this like twice a week, not every night. It improves the texture of your lips. It also helps to remove like chapped lips and brighten your lip color. I think this has honey and sugar. Now you can see how dry my skin really is. See, I just washed my face. Can you see how dry it is? Like starting to look ashy. you need to be quick. I use the Paula's Choice Exfoliate Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I use more of chemical exfoliants and chemical exfoliators on my skin. That's the reason why I'm using this, because this has salicylic acid, which is like amazing for exfoliating your skin. I don't use the physical exfoliators anymore, the ones that have the beads, because they tend to be very harsh on your skin. Guys, this is the face that I washed and cleansed and did all these things. Every time you come back to cleaning, you just find like little spots that you may have forgotten. So this is my face after using the Paula's Choice exfoliating liquid. I feel like it kind of gives me, it has like a, I don't want to say oily look or oily, but it has a sheen. I use the Hadalabo Gokiyum Premium Moisturizing Lotion. You can't use this product with a cotton pad because it will just soak up the entire product. So you need to use your hands to really press it in. It has hyaluronic acid, it has water, it has glycerin, it has other amazing ingredients that I can't really read, but anything that has hyaluronic acid I love, I'm obsessed with, because hyaluronic acid just helps to like retain moisture in your skin. And if you've watched my other videos, which you should totally watch, my morning routine, when it comes to skincare, I've talked about how to layer your skincare from lightest consistency to the thickest consistency. So that means that you start using the products that are lighter. If you start with your cleanser, your toners, your serums, then your gels, and then your creams or moisturizers. Not that you use moisturizer first and then you go to cleansing and then you come back to sunscreen and then you come back to essence. Nah, I've gone from ashy to moisturize. Now, the next thing I'm big on is face mask. Either I'm using a sheet mask like this, or I'm using the clay mask like this. This is a really good clay mask. This helps to deep cleanse your skin. It's really, really good. However, for me, because I have very dry skin, I'm not a fan of this because I feel like it takes away all my oils. So if you have oily skin or combination skin, this is the one for you. Now, if you are like me and you're looking for hydration, this is the one for you. To be honest, you can use both. Instant Youthful Radiance Mask infused with serum. Come on, guys. Youthful, check. Radiance, check. Smooth texture, check. Glow, double check. This is a hydrating, comforting mask. It's made of hydrogel matrix that releases its ingredients by melting into the skin. Oof. This already just feels like heaven. Oh God, this is so hydrating. It's so refreshing. This is the kind of life that I was born to live. I was born to just enjoy myself. I just need to start walking in that reality of the fact that I'm meant to live a bougie life, period. I usually leave this on for as long as I want, as long as I have time. Now, if you're in Nigeria and you want to shop Lancome products, you can shop Lancome products from Essenza, ESSENZA.ng. Actually, I'll leave the link down below. And take off your mask, your sheet mask. The serum is still here hiding, but you will throw it away. You don't know you throw it away. About $5 worth of products. So what I like to do is make sure to scoop it out like this. Oh, look at that. See? I literally just like to scoop on the extra products. Now you can see how vibrant and youthful and glowy my skin looks. This is just absolutely amazing. My skin feels so hydrated, so moisturized, but that's not all. Of course, that's not all. Chill. Going in with the Lancome Genifique Light Pearl Concentrate. Light Pearl, not pale. Why must it worry me to jump out? And this is an eye and lash concentrate. I really love this product because the applicator has that is like metal, and it is so cold. Once you apply it to the skin, it's like so cooling. It almost feels like I'm massaging. I can massage my eye literally with this. This is what I'm talking about. This is when I say that the skin needs to be supple, this is all the sup that we're talking about. The next thing that I love to use is the Cosrx Ultimate Moisturizing Overnight Mask, and this has honey in it. It helps to enrich your skin. It has beeswax in it, natural beeswax, and this mask provides intense, did you hear that word? Intense hydration with refreshing moisture. You already know. Now, I know it seems like we're layering a lot of products. That's because we are layering a lot of products. That's because it works. Trust me, this is what I do. You've asked me, I've told you now. So it's either you want it or not. I'm just coming clean. So now, I have been loving, if you follow me on Instagram, which you should be, my Instagram link will come up right here. Follow me on Instagram. We rave about the Hydra Zen moisturizing gel. Now, let me just read what this gel is about. It is amazing. This is an anti-stress moisturizing cream gel. Hydra Zen. What does Zen mean? Every time I think about Hydra Zen, that's what I think about. I think about yes, so I use this. It's just amazing. It's so soothing. I use this over my mask because it's like a cream. It's a gel cream, and I just scoop some of that like that. A little goes a long way, and I'll just like massage. Oh god, massage that into my skin. Massage that in, buff that in. Look at that. Have we come to the end of this skincare routine? Yes, we have. Did you enjoy it? I hope you did. Did you find it insightful? I hope you did. Now, after that, I go in with lip balm. I really like this one because I think it has tea tree in it. Almost out of this product, so those of you in South Africa, please let me know where I can find this product. It's called the Zambuk, the real Makoya Zambuk Lip Balm. In terms of body soap, because some of you have asked me in the past, I use the Dettol Even Tone Pink Glow Antibacterial Soap. This is an amazing soap. I really like it because it helps to exfoliate the skin, and yeah, I use that on my body. She Aromatherapy Pure Organics Liquid Soap, Aloine Skin Black Soap. I also use the Fig Health Soap Black Soap. I use a lot of soaps, or black soaps, on my body. On my scrubs, this is the Arami Exfoliating Brightening Sugar Scrub for face and body. I didn't use it on my face, but I use it on my body. To be honest, this works. I don't even need to sell it. It's amazing, and you can see how much I have used from this. Now, last but not the least, on my body, I use the Eucerin Original Healing Lotion. However, the consistency can be quite thick, so I like to always water it down or mix it down using the Arami Glow Oil. The Eucerin and the Arami mixed together is bomb.com for my body. And then I use this on my body as well. This is from Halawa Priest, and this is called Humra. Humra is like a northern fragrance. Let me show you. Like that, put drops on my body, and I just massage that. Oof! I massage that into my skin. I wouldn't call this, oh, it's not oil, so it dries. It's almost like a lotion, so it kind of dries down, but it still gives you like a nice glow. I use this on my body, and it smells so lush. Every time I use it, like my beau is like, oh, you smell nice. I'm like, oh, thanks, babes. Welcome to the end of my skincare routine. You know you enjoyed it, so please do not hesitate to thumbs up this video. If you don't thumbs up this video, what are you? Won't you be called a wicked person after you watch it to the end? No, tell me. If you don't subscribe to my channel, what are you still doing when you know next week Tuesday or Thursday you'll be here to watch my video? Please share your current skincare routine. Share what you're loving right now in the comment section. Which of the products have you guys tried? Which do you love and which are you not loving? Share this video with your friends. Don't be stingy with skincare. Share with your friends. You know, let everyone glow up. 2020 is a year of glowing up. Yeah, good night. Ciao, Bellas. Bye.
Good morning, guys. It's a new day, and as you can see, my nighttime routine that I did last night. Yeah, look at my skin this morning. I know it seemed super greasy last night, but this morning my skin still looks hydrated, still looks glowy. And yeah, basically has absorbed all the products that I put into my skin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys see the benefits of an amazing nighttime routine. See you soon.
This patch, I don't know what this is. Like, guys, let me know. I don't know what this is. I feel like it's an eczema, but it's like, almost like a discoloration. It's just there and it bugs me out here so much. This is what I get to deal with when people say I don't break out. I'm breaking out. Now, I like to keep all my salicylic acid, lactic acid. This is the tongue twister. I can't do it. Why am I calling all these acids? Oh, hey there. Didn't know you were looking. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? So I'm just going to light some of my favorite candles. See, this thing wants to disgrace me. See, this thing wants to embarrass me in front. You see? I'm gonna wait it out because you're gonna see my reality. This is me. Even my camera is screeching back and forth because NEPA will not give me lights. And they will not put on the gel. Why won't I be stressed? Deep breath, deep breath.